Check 1, 2. Very colored. This is colored. This is.
I'm running the whole time, because I'm doing it with Greg.
Barris. Greg Barris. Barris.
Hey.
Barris. Barris. It's a great name. It's like got all the things you need to make it a good, strong syllable.
That's what I've been saying for years, man.
That's just
It's
sounds
got
good.
everything you need. The new Greg Barris comes with a full range of motion.
What?
Including not too much of a jump.
No way. Limited vertical?
Limited vertical, also horizontal.
Oh my god. Barris.
The Barris has a range of 72 meters. I know it doesn't sound far.
What's the range on that thing?
72 meters.
Whoa, hey, that's a good movement.
Which is an improvement from its 2-meter radius of last year.
Alright, well that sounds good. You guys got this right. You can hear it on, okay? Ooh. That's exactly the song you were doing.
I've always wanted to make music together, you know? A lot of times you're up there with your box, and I'm like, I could do that part of the box. That's what I think to myself. And I'm like, you have 6 buttons, you could have a 7th.
No, I get it. Now I get it. Only an example am I able to understand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bo-do-do-do-dee.